Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to install Google Chrome on HP ELITEBOOK 855. So, go into any browser, for example, the Edge that you probably have, then type in Chrome download and enter. Open the link. And can I change the language in here? I think not, so just click download Chrome. Okay. Open the downloads and open Chrome setup. Yes. And now it's downloading. It shouldn't take a long time because it's a light app. It said it's done, but it usually takes around 1 or 2 minutes to be fully done, so I'll be back with you when it's ready. And now we're done. As you can see, we can log in, skip, and the Google Chrome is open. Now here you have your personalization, but I'll just skip that for now. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.